The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 is not just another yearly refresh, it's Samsung's clearest step yet into the rugged pro-grade smartwatch world. Designed for active users, outdoor adventurers, and athletes who demand more. This year's model sharpens the experience without raising the price. It brings smarter features, better endurance, and a few key upgrades that makes it feel more complete than ever. The watch still rocks its bold 47mm titanium case and a sapphire crystal display, built to survive intense workouts like hikes and swims with 10 ATM water resistance, IP68 dust protection, and military-grade toughness. It's modeled to handle just about anything. One of the biggest improvements is storage. This year, Samsung has doubled it to 64 GB, giving you more space for offline maps, music, and apps, perfect for phone-free workouts or outdoor adventures. Another major upgrade is the display. With the brightness boost to 3000 nits, it's super easy to read in direct sunlight, whether you are mid-run or checking your compass on a trail. What really elevates the experience this year is Galaxy AI. Running on One UI 6 Watt with Wear OS 5, the Ultra New includes features like antioxidant index, energy score, and a real-time running coach. These tools do not just track your activity, they help you understand your body better, with personalized insights and suggestions. Samsung have also introduced a fresh new blue titanium color, giving the rugged design and more modern sporty look. The update strap is more breathable and secure, especially during intense movement, and with up to 48 hours of use in workout mode or up to 100 hours with power saving. The battery keeps up the most demanding days. Performance remains fast and fluid, thanks to the same Exynos W1000 chip and 2 GB of RAM, while the handy quick button returns to give you instant control during workouts. So in short, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 is not radically different, but it's smarter, brighter, and more capable. If you own last year's Ultra, this might not be must upgrade, but for anyone else looking for a rugged features-packed smartwatch that looks as good as it performs, this is Samsung's best yet.